Hello everyone, I am Raven. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome all you teachers to the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives. Now we are going to discuss about different types of innovation ideas using in lessons. Using different types of innovation ideas in the lessons helps the students to learn in a most joyful and friendly environment. It connects the students with their day-to-day lives, real life atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss about the NCERT board, classes second, and the subject is English, and the lesson name is On My Blackboard I Can Draw. It is a type of a poem which tells about the what one can draw on the blackboard. The innovation idea used in this lesson is called theme-based attendance. Theme-based attendance is a type of innovation idea which covers the concepts of the singular and plural and also about the noun in the English subject. The main concept of this innovation idea is connecting the lesson which we taught very recently with the attendance and making the students to revise and understand the entire concepts which are covered in that lesson which we have taught. So in the attendance, basically whenever it's a daily activity for us, we would be taking attendance for the students. So whenever we will be taking the attendance, we will be calling the students in the type of roll number wise, roll number 1, roll number 2, or calling the students regularly by their name. But always the students will be replying the attendance in terms of yes or present. Instead, here the students are going to reply their attendance in terms of yes or present. Instead of that, they are going to do a task they are going to give the answer for the question which we are giving. So being this poem is taught very recently, we are going to take this as a theme. So this is the theme based attendance activity. So we are going to give a theme for that attendance so that the student should tell the attendance with the words or the sentence which are connecting with the theme. Or we will be giving the task to the student. Either we will be asking question or we will be giving the task to the students. The student should reply the answer or the student should do the task to give the attendance. So this is the main important point which is in this theme based attendance innovation idea. So as we said, students should not tell yes or present. They have to do the activity or they have to tell the answer for the question which they have asked. So being this concept is covering singular and plural, we can make use of a singular plural and make the students to understand what is singular and plural and making the students to revise and familiar with the concepts also. So for an example, in our class there are 3 students, there are 12 to 25% students of there. So we are going to take the attendance in terms of roll number wise. So roll number 1 is Arjun, roll number 2 is Ashwin, roll number 3 is Abhishek. So when we are calling Arjun, he will be telling yes or present. But we are going to do this activity with the theme base. So we have already instructed the student that today's attendance theme will be based on the On My Blackboard I Can Draw. It is a poem, so this is the theme. So the Arjun should not tell yes or present. We are going to ask the question to the Arjun. Arjun should tell the answer as his attendance. So we are calling roll number 1 Arjun. Arjun is getting up and we are giving a word called buffalo. So being this concept is covering singular and plural and also about nouns, the task for Arjun is you have to tell the plural for this word buffalo. So Arjun will tell that obviously buffaloes. So he is responding and he is replying back the plural. We are giving a singular word, he is telling a plural word. And we are calling roll number 2 Abhishek. We are giving the word lady. So give the plural word. So he will be tell ladies. So likewise making the students familiar with noun and singular and plural also helps to revise the lesson. And also while calling attendance, every student will be getting the chance to tell the answer. Being it is a 10 to 15 minutes activity, it helps the students to revise the entire lesson which we taught very recently and make the students to get familiar and making them to practice with the regular practices and concept covered through that lesson. So this is the innovation idea called theme based attendance used in this lesson. On my blackboard I can draw in the English subject. So more about different types of innovation ideas like this using in lessons you can see through our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Kindly like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI. Thank you.